Bookkeeping is the consolidation of all of your income and all of your expenses into the same place, and every business needs to do this. So today we're going to look at 3 different ways that you can save time doing your bookkeeping. Number 1 is you can use software to help you, such as Xero, QuickBooks, and apps such as Receipt Bank, so that you can store all copies of your invoices electronically, so you don't have to keep big hard copy files around the office anymore. Using these softwares, it makes it really easy for help to log in remotely if you get stuck on something. Often these softwares link to your bank account so that transactions automatically feed through every day, so you can make sure that you're not missing any postings on your software, and you can reconcile your accounts. And also, using these softwares, you can automate as much as possible, so it will remember where you've posted transactions previously and what you've coded them to, so it ultimately will cut down on your processing time. Number 2, find somebody that can help you, whether that's an accountant, a bookkeeper, or someone with relevant experience. So the average time spent on bookkeeping for a business with less than 10 employees is 20 hours a month. That's nearly 3 working days. So is that really where your time as the business owner is most effectively spent? Number 3, do little and often. It's much more manageable if you can break it down into smaller chunks. If you do it weekly, your expenses aren't going to build up, which makes it more likely you're going to keep doing it and not leave it till the end of the year. Also, this means you can look at your accounts and have a better understanding of your business financials if they're current. Looking at numbers too far in the past means you won't be able to effectively manage your business growth using them. If you need some advice or help with your bookkeeping, please get in touch. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos.